In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AirTag to Life360. However, it is important to note that you cannot add an Apple AirTag directly to Life360. AirTags only work with Apple's Find My app and are not supported in the Life360 app. Instead, we will be using a tile tracker, which is a great alternative. This gives you similar tracking capabilities without the limitations of AirTags. First, open the Life360 app on your device. You will see the home screen with various options and features. Look for the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap on it to launch. Once the app is open, you will be greeted by a map view showing your family members' locations if they are sharing their location with you. This is a crucial first step as it sets the stage for adding your tile tracker. Opening the app successfully ensures that you are ready to manage your tracking devices. Next, tap the keys icon or the Add an Item option. This action will take you to a section where you can manage various tracking devices linked to your Life360 account. The keys icon is typically represented by a small key symbol, which makes it easy to identify. This step is significant because it directs you to the area where you can add new tracking devices. Once you tap on it, you will be able to proceed to the next options that will allow you to integrate your tile tracker seamlessly. From there, tap on Add Your Tiles. This specific option is designed for you to link your tile devices directly. It's an easy step that many users appreciate because it streamlines the process of connecting your tile tracker to Life360. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to sign into your tile account or create a new one if you do not already have an account. This ensures that your devices are properly linked for tracking purposes, which is essential for the next steps. Once you are at the sign-in screen, enter your tile account credentials. If you don't have a tile account, you will have the option to create one. This is a quick and straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to enter your information. Signing in or creating an account is crucial because it links your tile device to your Life360 account. This connection allows for real-time location sharing and tracking. Now turn on Bluetooth when prompted. This step is vital for the connection between your tile device and your smartphone. Bluetooth must be enabled for the app to communicate with your tile tracker effectively. You will see a notification or prompt asking you to allow Bluetooth access if it is not already turned on. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring smooth communication between devices. Next, press the button on your tile to activate it. You should see a small button on the tile tracker itself. Pressing this button will help the app recognize the tile device, allowing it to connect seamlessly. This action is important because it signals the tile to start communicating with the app. Once you press the button, you should see a response on your screen indicating that the tile is being recognized. After that, you need to name your tile and tap Save. This naming process helps you identify the tile later, especially if you have multiple tiles. Choose a name that is easy to remember and reflects its purpose, like car keys or backpack. Tapping Save will finalize the addition of your tile to Life360. You will see a confirmation appear, assuring you that the tile has been successfully added to your Life360 account. Your tile will now appear in Life360. This means you can start using it to track your items through the app. You have successfully integrated your tile tracker, which provides peace of mind and helps keep track of your belongings. With your tile linked, you can enjoy the benefits of enhanced tracking within the Life360 app.